Young Jay, know what I'm saying? Well, this your boy Jay right here, alright? You feel me? So I'm just chilling right now, man. Just chilling. Came back shopping, my nigga. Just came back shopping, just straight swagging it out. You feel me? So just go to, man. Just go to all my fans out there. Man, I love y'all. What up with y'all, man? Just come get me at my page. Is your Young J 2011. Know what I'm saying? Brand new year. Know what I'm saying? For real. Alright. So man, just chilling right now. Just enjoying life. Thanking God for a brand new day. So things crazy. Life crazy, but man, you just gotta go on with your life. Keep moving every day and night, you know what I'm saying? So it's 2011, everybody get on your grind out here. Nigga just came out, got the brand new watch, feel me? Got a new watch out here, feel me? Hey, just had to get the watch, man. I got the new earrings, yeah. Simple Bay, boy, them rays, boy, it's all about them rays, all about them rays. Now you can see, you got the tattoos down here, got the tats right here. Got my daughter name right there. Got this tattoo right here, my nickname Jay. Got that one. And I got two more. Two more. I want more, man. Tell me I want more out here, but so you got the boy. That says right here, man. You feel me? That says in God. Right there it says in God. Then I got the other one on the other side right here. Feel me? Had to get two of them. Feel me? That says right here. In God we trust. In God we trust. That's what it say. Cause I trust God with all my heart. So God got my back. So yeah, just YouTube. Holla at YouTube for a minute. Just chilling. So just hit your boy up, man. So I'm out here all day, every day. Yeah, Young J Money. Peace.